Hi guys, welcome. Today I have NUBIA Red Magic 8S Pro and I want to show you how to add website shortcuts icon to your home screen on this device. Our first step to do that is from main menu we must navigate to the Google Chrome and search website which we want to add to our home screen as shortcuts icon. In my case it is hardreset.info website, and where we are on it we press 3 dots on the right corner and add to home screen right now. There we can custom name of our shortcuts icon by press there and write something, and after that we confirm all by odd. Again add to home screen, and that's all. We have our shortcuts icon on our home screen right now. See you soon, bye!